Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 6th of May. I'm James Spann. That deep cold core upper low that brought hail, showers, cold air funnels, rainbows, everything else to the state yesterday is moving away slowly, but it's still close enough to keep us cool and unsettled today. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network. These were captured early this morning at 5 o'clock. That's coming from Inverness. Things are quiet there as we overlook Highway 280. That's the Fayette Skycam up in northwest Alabama, but in Gadsden, you can barely see the lights of the city, and they've got rain falling there with heavy rain just north of the city. In fact, that's the radar capture there at 5:04. You can see some really heavy rain falling up over parts of Cherokee and DeKalb counties north of Gadsden. And again, all that rain is rotating around that deep cold core upper low that's not too far from Rome, Georgia. It's a cool morning for May. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 40s. The cool spot there, well, actually three cool spots, Haleyville, Montgomery, and Auburn, where they've got 46 degrees. Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Tuscaloosa sitting at 48. And around the nation, really, it's hard to find any warm weather. As you can see, temperatures are mostly in the 40s and 50s almost everywhere. There's our watch warning map. Thankfully, things are relatively quiet. The counties that are in bright green, those are some river flood warnings after all the rain we had this weekend. Here's the additional rain expected over the course of the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock local time, showing about 1 inch near the Tennessee border, lighter amounts down south. And, of course, really after today will be dry. The next rain event will begin at the end of the week on Friday, and unfortunately we'll have some rain over the upcoming weekend. Thought we start with a look at the upper low this morning. This is off the SPC mesoanalysis page. The core of that thing is a little north of Rome, Georgia, between Rome and Chattanooga, Tennessee. And you can see that batch of heavy rain just on the western side of the upper low over northeast Alabama. And again, once the sun comes out today, the air becomes unstable because of the cold air aloft. That's minus 24 Celsius up there at 500 millibars. And like yesterday, we'll see more showers today, but not as much hail, and the better chance of the shower should be from Birmingham north and northeast as the upper low slowly moves away. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Again, the upper low is northeast of here, and down below that will maintain the chance of showers. The most widespread rain should be from Birmingham north and east. To the south of Birmingham, the day should be mostly dry and sunny over the southern half of the state, and it's going to be very cool. Again, I'm checking the record low maximum for today, and that's 61, set in 1992. We might take another run at that. Tuscaloosa had a high yesterday of only 58. That's an all-time record low maximum for the month of May. All right, tomorrow the low is out of here, and we think the day should be generally dry. And we start to warm up as temperatures go back in the low 70s. And I think the chance of rain is so small we can take it out of the forecast now. Hey, Wednesday we'll do upper 70s. Some folks may be touching 80. Won't that feel good after such a cold spell? Thursday, we still stay dry. Good chance we'll see low, maybe mid-80s in spots. Come on now. That's what it ought to be like here in May. This is our summer preview month. Now, Friday, the next upper system is back in the southwest United States, and down below that, moisture comes back. This is suggesting showers could break out Friday, maybe over the northern half of the state, but nothing really widespread. We'll mention the chance of a shower Friday. And then Saturday, as we start the weekend, unfortunately, it looks wet. You can see really two distinct streams. We got the southern stream, then up in the northern branch, a strong low this over Canada with a trailing cold front. But if you got something planned outdoors on Saturday, looks like it could be the day with the most widespread rain. Periods of rain likely, but at least it won't be a cold rain. High should be in the 70s. And then Sunday, a long trough begins to form, a long wave trough over the east, and that's going to push a cold front in here. The winds veer around to the north late in the day, but certainly will maintain the chance of rain into at least the morning hours on Sunday, but we could be dry Sunday afternoon. And we start to cool down in a week from today. There's the trough over the east, and down below that, the weather should be dry and pleasant. Highs probably low 70s, and a good chance we might see lows down in the upper 40s again, as we're just having a hard time shaking the winter. It's the winter that won't go away. We'll check the end of the forecast, May 21st. That looks showery, but no sign of any severe weather problems here for the next 15 days, and that is fantastic. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock or so this afternoon. And if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.